Here's how to withdraw USDT from Binance to your bank in 2026, fast and secure. Open Binance and go to Wallet, then Fiat and spot to find USDT. Click Withdraw, select USDT, then choose the correct network carefully. Compare network fees and speeds, and pick the network your bank accepts. Enter the withdrawal amount and confirm the displayed fee. Complete two-factor authentication to authorize the transfer. If required, convert USDT to local fiat using Binance Convert or Sell before withdrawing. Choose the bank transfer method, like SEPA, ACH, or SWIFT, based on your country. Carefully enter your bank details and double-check the account number and routing codes. Confirm the withdrawal, note the network and bank fees, then submit the request. You'll see a bank transfer confirmation screen. Save or screenshot it for your records. Always verify addresses, enable two-factor authentication, and monitor your bank for arrival.